James Gunn just dropped some updates on Superman Man of Tomorrow, and we're gonna talk about it. He's reloading the gun and he's ready to fire. We also touch on some DCU updates, so please lock in. James Gunn was on the Howard Stern show and he was talking all things Man of Tomorrow and some DCU updates. James Gunn goes on to say Man of Tomorrow is as much a Lex Luthor movie as it is a Superman movie. It's a story about Lex Luthor and Superman having to work together to a certain degree against a much bigger threat. This totally makes sense to me with the artwork we got with the announcement of Men of Tomorrow. We got the artwork of them side by side looking like they're working together. Then another artwork where they are facing the threat. And then another artwork where they are actually fighting. I definitely see why James Gunn doesn't want to call this a Superman 2, because I think this is going to be a heavy Lex Luthor movie also, so you don't really want to call it Superman 2, because I can actually see us seeing this story from Lex Luthor's point of view. In Superman 2025, we got to see the heinous act of Lex Luthor. We got to see the generational hate that he has for Superman. But I think in Man of Tomorrow, we're going to see more layers added to him. We're going to see more nuance. But I still think they're going to keep him very villain, which I like. And what is this threat that is so big that Superman and Lex Luthor need to work together? All the signs point to Brainiac. This is a Brainiac story through and through. I can see it coming. But we also know that in Superman Man of Tomorrow, Parasite is the villain, so he could also serve as the villain of Man of Tomorrow. We also know that Lobo also plays a big part in this, and Lobo is also going to be in Supergirl, and he's also rumored to be in Man of Tomorrow. We also got an